beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it's all about how to achieve this quick and easy hairstyle within 10 minutes only. If you're my old subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for coming back. I do appreciate your love and your support. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, consider subscribing, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one. Straight to the video, I divide my hair from ear to ear. You don't need to make this line very clean because end of the day, I'll be covered with braiding hair. So just make simple and quick line. Then I will also use rubber band to secure each section. I use all sand gel to apply every section after I part, but you may decide to use any kind of gel that works for you. Because at this point you need gel that hold your hair very well, because and this front part, honey, is the part that will define the rest of this hairstyle. So you have to be very careful when you're doing this front part. You may decide to do small section like what I'm doing here, but you may also decide to go with a little bigger section. That's also okay. When you're parting your lines, especially in front, you have to be careful. Make sure you try your best to get clean and neat sections. That's why I said in front section, gel that holds your hair very well is very important, because it's like you just want to hold all the hair, and how to hold all the hair well, you need good gel that works well on your hair.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I will use this expression hair to style this hairstyle, and this is color 1. Because this braiding hair is very long, so I decided to cut this hair into two. Then after I cut this hair into two, I go ahead and I stretch both pieces. But you may decide to braid without stretch if you have small head, but if you have big head, then you have to stretch to make this hair cover your hair well. And after I stretch, this is how the hair looks like. And I use the whole piece. I mean, both two pieces, I use them. So after I stretch, I take elastic band and I secure the hair. Then after secure, you may decide to attach any place you feel like it's okay for you to attach. Then I divided this braiding hair into three and I do three-way braid. You may either decide to braid going backward or going forward. It's all up to you. When you're braiding, just try to make your braiding a little bit loose, not too loose or not too tight. So I didn't braid till end. I just braid till I feel like it's long enough to cover my front part. Then I take another rubber band. This time I take a black rubber band and I secure at the end. I will use bobby pin to secure both afro puff and this braiding hair. This is DIY, and in case you're interested on how I make this DIY afro puff, I'll put the link in description below. Kindly go and check it. It's so easy and very quickly. So I will attach this afro puff in my back section. Then I'll take a bobby pin and I'll secure this afro puff with
town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So after I finish to pin up my afro puff and to pin out also this front braid, I also go ahead and make sure I fix my edges. Everything is on point. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, because if you give this video a big thumbs up, there is big possibility more people to watch this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.